Hello everybody, this is Johnny5. In this video, I'm going to show you my car update. I've had this car for almost 3 years now. When I bought this car, it was at 57,000 miles. Now it's at 69,000, almost 70,000, which is kind of incredible for how old this car is. The car that I own is a 1987 OLDSMOBILE Firenza. I bought this car for $900, and it's, I think, a two-owner car, I'm not sure. But it's a nice vehicle. I mean, it got me to point A and B. I can't go far in this vehicle because it overheats sometimes and it stalls out sometimes too. So mostly just go to work car in. And it's automatic, 4 cylinders. The radio doesn't work anymore. It does, but it just turns on with no sound. So something's fried in the system. The circuit light doesn't work either. I bought like a GPS for like $20, a big GPS, and that pretty much fried the fuses for it. Tried changing it out and it won't come on either. So that's why I don't really need radio for this car anyway. I mean, it's a nice car though. My first car is not too bad, and it's a good starter car for people. It is a 4-door, not 2-door. Small, compact car. That's how I can explain it. And because this car is cheap on gas, like right now gas prices in Washington State is around $3.20, maybe more. So like to fill this car is like $28, $29 to fill it. Battery, I got a new battery recently. My other one, I haven't changed it in like 3 years since I had it, so it lasted that long. So my other battery died, so I got a new one at my work, and they gave me a discount on it because of my work and things. That one's nice. That works right now. And the only thing I need is to get an oil change. It's been a while since I had it, and I've been putting oil in it, checking it, and all my fluids are good still, which is good. And then my next video, I'll make a review about this thing. I got this recently. Is a cell phone holder for your car. So if I need my GPS for I don't like have a GPS only on my phone because, like I said, my cigarette lighter thing doesn't work anymore. So I use my phone, my GPS, if I'm lost. It's there if I need it, and especially for doing live streams, I might use it, but not when I'm driving. But yeah, here's my vehicle. Inside of it, of course. I have a review of it on my channel like a while ago, what kind of car it is. And I don't want to show it right now because it's too windy outside. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. And have any questions, comments, or anything, feel free to write them down in the video below. And have a wonderful day.